Imagine our solar system, familiar yet different. Instead of Earth, it's Mars that basks in the sun's warmth. Our red neighbor, now a blue oasis. Meanwhile, Earth, adrift in the Martian orbit, shivers in the cold. A mind-bending thought experiment, but what if Earth and Mars swapped orbits? Could life survive this cosmic game of musical chairs? Let's explore the possibilities. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving deep into a hypothetical scenario that's straight out of science fiction. We're going to unravel the cosmic chaos and mind-boggling transformations that would unfold if Earth and Mars decided to trade places. It's a cosmic what if that'll make you appreciate our current address in the universe a little bit more. Mars, now closer to the sun, would feel the heat. Its icy plains might melt, unleashing ancient floods. A thicker atmosphere could form, driven by outgassing from the warming planet. But would it be enough to sustain Earth-like life? The answer, my friends, is not so simple. Imagine Mars, once a rusty red, now adorned with shimmering blue oceans. The polar ice caps, once dominated by dry ice, would retreat, revealing hidden reserves of water ice. This dramatic transformation wouldn't happen overnight. We're talking about planetary scale changes over millennia. The atmosphere, once thin and wispy, would begin to thicken as trapped gases within the planet's crust are released. This process, known as outgassing, could potentially create a denser atmosphere, but it's still a far cry from the oxygen-rich haven we enjoy on Earth. What's more, the red planet's weak magnetic field poses a challenge. Without a magnetic shield, the solar wind could strip away its newly formed atmosphere, turning this cosmic makeover into a fleeting spectacle. Earth, exiled to Mars's orbit, faces a chilling fate. Our oceans would freeze, locking up vast amounts of water as ice. Temperatures would plummet, making even the most extreme polar conditions seem balmy. Life on Earth, tenacious as it is, would face its greatest test. Could anything survive on this frozen Earth? Imagine our once teeming planet transformed into a giant snowball, its surface gleaming white under the faint light of a distant sun. The once vibrant blue of our oceans would be replaced by an icy expanse, reflecting sunlight back into space and further amplifying the deep freeze. The lush green landscapes we're accustomed to would be buried under thick layers of ice and snow. Forests would vanish, leaving behind only ghostly outlines beneath the frozen blanket. The air, once teeming with life, would become thin and frigid, making every breath a struggle. But even in this desolate wasteland, life might find a way to cling on. Life, as we know it, is a master adapter. On a colder Earth, some organisms could survive around geothermal vents, harnessing Earth's internal heat. Others might go dormant, waiting for conditions to improve. It's a cosmic game of survival, and the stakes have never been higher. Deep beneath the frozen surface, in the depths of our planet's oceans, hydrothermal vents would become oases of life. These vents, spewing heat and chemicals from Earth's interior, would provide a source of energy for extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments. Think of the hardy microbes that inhabit boiling hot springs or the crushing depths of the Mariana Trench. These creatures, accustomed to life on the edge, would inherit the frozen Earth. On the surface, some life forms might enter a state of suspended animation, their biological processes slowed to a glacial pace. Seeds, spores, and even some animals have evolved remarkable strategies for surviving extreme cold. These resilient survivors could potentially weather the icy apocalypse, lying dormant beneath the frozen wasteland, waiting for a chance to reemerge. Section 5, Martian Adaptations, from red to green. If life exists on Mars, it too would face dramatic changes. Martian organisms, adapted to a cold, dry environment, would need to adapt quickly to the warmer, wetter conditions. Could we see the emergence of complex life forms on Mars, perhaps even vegetation? Picture this, the rusty red plains of Mars gradually giving way to patches of green. As the planet warms and water flows, dormant Martian life, if it exists, might seize the opportunity. Simple organisms like bacteria and algae could flourish in this new environment, their metabolic engines humming as they convert sunlight into energy. Over time, these pioneering life forms could pave the way for more complex organisms. Just as life on Earth diversified and evolved over billions of years, so too could life on a warmer, wetter Mars. Imagine alien plants, their leaves perhaps not green but some other shade, reaching for the Martian sky, their roots burrowing into the once barren soil. Humanity's future on a frozen Earth is uncertain. We'd need to adapt, perhaps living underground or in biodome cities. Resource scarcity and extreme conditions would make survival a daily struggle. It's a stark reminder of our dependence on Earth's delicate balance. Imagine a world where venturing outside requires donning specialized suits equipped with heating elements and oxygen supplies. The sky, once a familiar canvas of blue, would now be an oppressive darkness, the sun a distant pinprick of light. Our cities, once sprawling metropolises, would be forced to adapt, perhaps burrowing underground or seeking refuge in biodome-like structures. Life in this new world would be a constant struggle against the elements. Growing food would be a monumental challenge, requiring innovative solutions like hydroponics and vertical farming. Energy would be precious, with renewable sources like geothermal and perhaps even fusion power becoming essential for survival. The human spirit, however, is nothing if not resilient. With Mars now closer, human exploration and potential colonization could accelerate. Imagine shorter trips and easier communication between planets. But the challenges of terraforming Mars into a habitable world would be immense. Picture this: sleek spacecraft powered by advanced propulsion systems, making the journey from Earth to Mars in a matter of months, not years. The Red Planet, once a distant dream, would become a more accessible neighbor. Scientists and engineers could work on ambitious projects, from establishing research outposts to exploring the potential for terraforming. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, feeling the pull of its gravity, lighter than Earth's, but still a tangible reminder of being on another world. You look up at the sky and see not one but two moons, Phobos and Deimos, their irregular shapes etched against the backdrop of stars. The dream of humans becoming an interplanetary species might become a reality. Could Mars, once considered a desolate wasteland, become a second home for humanity? The challenges are enormous, but so are the potential rewards. It's a reminder that our future among the stars depends on our ability to adapt, explore, and dream big. The challenges of making Mars habitable are immense. We'd need to find ways to thicken its atmosphere, warm its surface, and create a protective magnetic field. These are Herculean tasks, requiring not just technological ingenuity, but also a deep understanding of planetary science and a commitment to sustainability. But the rewards are equally tantalizing. Imagine a future where humans become a multi-planetary species, our ingenuity and spirit of exploration carrying us beyond the bounds of our home planet. Mars, once a symbol of harshness and desolation, could become a testament to human resilience and our ability to transform challenges into opportunities. This cosmic swap, while hypothetical, highlights the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. It reminds us that our planet is not just a rock in space, it's a living, breathing system, and we are an integral part of it. As we continue to explore the universe, let's appreciate the preciousness of our home and strive to be better stewards of this pale blue dot we call Earth. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see Mars, that reddish point of light, let it serve as a reminder of the wonders and the fragility of our own planet. Let it inspire you to learn more about the cosmos, to ponder the possibilities, and to cherish the extraordinary gift of life on Earth. Remember, in the grand cosmic ballet, we are all interconnected, dancing to the music of the stars. And who knows, maybe one day, far in the future, our descendants will look back at this time as the dawn of a new era, an era marked by human ingenuity and our unwavering pursuit of knowledge and exploration.
Imagine looking up at the night sky. Instead of our familiar moon, you see two celestial orbs sharing the cosmic stage. One is our moon, Luna. The other, a giant with a hazy orange hue, is Titan. In this cosmic ballet, Earth has gained a second moon. It's a scenario straight out of science fiction, but what if it came true? How would the arrival of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, reshape our world? Titan, a world larger than the planet Mercury, is a fascinating celestial body. It possesses a dense atmosphere, methane lakes, and the potential for exotic life. But its journey to become Earth's second moon would be a cosmic event of epic proportions. The gravitational forces involved would be immense. The delicate balance of our solar system would be forever altered. The implications of such a change are profound. Earth, Luna, and Titan would settle into a new gravitational dance. Their orbits would intertwine, their destinies forever linked in a celestial waltz of epic proportions. This cosmic event would have a ripple effect, impacting everything from our tides to our very understanding of our place in the universe. The arrival of Titan would be a chaotic affair. Its gravity would tug at Earth, pulling our planet into a new orbital dance. Luna, no longer our sole celestial companion, would find itself caught in a three-way gravitational tug-of-war. The once familiar cycles of day and night, tides and seasons, would be thrown into disarray. The most immediate impact would be on Earth's orbit. The combined gravitational pull of Luna and Titan would elongate and tilt Earth's orbit. This would lead to more extreme seasons, with hotter summers and colder winters. Coastal regions would experience the brunt of these changes, facing the possibility of more severe weather events. The length of our day would also be affected. Earth's rotation would slow down due to the gravitational pull of Titan. This would result in longer days and nights. The subtle changes in the environment would have a cascading effect on Earth's ecosystems. Plants and animals would need to adapt to the new rhythms of day and night, heat and cold. Titan, despite its intriguing features, is a cold and alien world. Its surface is far too frigid for liquid water to exist. However, its arrival in Earth's warmer embrace could potentially trigger dramatic changes. The influx of solar radiation could potentially warm Titan's atmosphere. This warming could lead to the melting of Titan's methane lakes, creating vast oceans of liquid hydrocarbons. While this wouldn't make Titan habitable for humans, it could potentially create conditions suitable for other forms of life to emerge. This transformation would make Titan a prime target for scientific exploration. Imagine sending probes to study the evolution of life in such a unique environment. The discoveries we could make would be groundbreaking, potentially rewriting our understanding of the conditions required for life to arise in the universe. The tides, those rhythmic rises and falls of our oceans, are governed by the gravitational pull of the Moon. With the arrival of Titan, this delicate balance would be disrupted. The combined gravitational forces of Luna and Titan would create complex and extreme tidal patterns. Coastal regions would experience significantly higher tides, potentially leading to flooding and erosion. Shipping lanes would be altered, and coastal communities would need to adapt to a new way of life. The economic and social impact of these changes would be significant, requiring global cooperation to address the challenges and opportunities presented by this new tidal reality. However, these extreme tides could also have unexpected benefits. The increased tidal energy could potentially be harnessed to generate clean and renewable energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. This would require innovative engineering solutions and international collaboration. Luna, our faithful companion for billions of years, would not surrender its role easily. The gravitational interplay between Luna and Titan would be complex and potentially unstable. Luna's orbit could become more elliptical, causing it to swing closer to and farther from Earth at different points in its orbit. This could lead to periods of increased volcanic activity on Earth, as the shifting gravitational forces tug at our planet's crust. We might even witness more frequent lunar eclipses as Titan joins the cosmic dance between Earth and the Moon. The night sky would be a mesmerizing spectacle, with Luna and Titan engaged in a celestial ballet. Their changing positions and phases would create a constantly shifting tapestry of light and shadow, captivating skywatchers and astronomers alike. Life on Earth has an incredible ability to adapt to changing conditions. The arrival of Titan would undoubtedly pose challenges, but it would also present new opportunities for evolution. Plants and animals would need to adapt to the altered day and night cycles. Marine life would face the most significant changes, as the extreme tides reshape coastlines and alter ocean currents. New species would emerge, better suited to this new environment. Some existing species might struggle to survive, while others could thrive in the face of adversity. This grand evolutionary experiment would be fascinating to observe. Scientists would have a front-row seat to witness the power of natural selection in action, as life adapts to the challenges and opportunities of a world with two moons. The most striking change would be in the night sky. Titan, with its hazy orange glow, would be a constant presence alongside our familiar moon. The celestial dance of these two orbs would be a mesmerizing sight, inspiring awe and wonder in all who gaze upon it. The combined light of Luna and Titan would make our nights brighter, potentially affecting the behavior of nocturnal animals. Stargazing would take on a whole new dimension, with Titan's surface features and atmosphere offering amateur and professional astronomers alike an abundance of new targets for observation. Imagine the stories, myths, and legends that would arise from cultures around the world, inspired by the presence of two moons in our sky. The celestial tapestry, woven with the threads of Luna and Titan, would forever change our perception of the cosmos and our place within it. The arrival of Titan would be more than just a cosmic event. It would be a cultural and philosophical one. Suddenly, we would find ourselves inhabitants of a world that is truly unique in our solar system. This realization would likely spark a renewed interest in space exploration and a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our planet. The challenges posed by Titan's presence would force us to work together as a global community. The need to adapt to a new tidal reality, to harness the potential of increased tidal energy, and to understand the changes in our environment would require unprecedented cooperation and innovation. This event could be the catalyst for a new era of scientific discovery. The mysteries of Titan, from its potential for harboring life to its complex atmosphere and geology, would keep scientists busy for generations. We might even find ourselves venturing to Titan's surface, eager to unlock the secrets of this alien world that has become our celestial neighbor. The universe is full of wonders, and the possibility of Earth acquiring a second moon like Titan is a testament to that. While this scenario remains firmly in the realm of speculation, it serves as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our cosmos. It highlights the interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the profound influence they have on one another. The arrival of Titan would undoubtedly reshape our world, forcing us to adapt, innovate, and reevaluate our place in the universe. It would be a time of great challenges, but also a time of great opportunity, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and expanding our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The universe is full of surprises. As we continue to explore the vast expanse of space, we can only imagine what other wonders await us, hidden among the stars, waiting to be discovered and to reshape our understanding of the cosmos.
Imagine this. Earth gains a second moon. Not just any moon, but Titan, Saturn's largest satellite. Titan, shrouded in an orange haze, joins our familiar silver moon. It's a cosmic ballet never seen before. Titan, larger than our moon, dominates the night sky. Its presence alters Earth's tides, creating higher highs and lower lows. The night sky becomes a canvas of celestial wonders, with two moons illuminating the darkness. This cosmic addition sparks wonder and scientific curiosity. What happens to our planet with a new celestial companion? How does Titan's presence affect Earth's delicate balance? Let's delve into the cosmic implications of this extraordinary event. Eclipses, celestial alignments that captivate us, transform with Titan in the picture. Solar eclipses, where the moon blocks the sun, become more frequent. Titan's larger size casts a wider shadow on Earth, increasing the duration of these events. Lunar eclipses, where Earth's shadow falls on the moon, become a spectacle of two acts. We witness our moon darken, followed by Titan experiencing its own eclipse. These events provide scientists with valuable data about Titan's atmosphere. But the story of eclipses doesn't end there. As we envision a habitable Titan, the drama intensifies. A habitable Titan implies an atmosphere. This atmosphere scatters sunlight, making Titan's shadow less opaque. Solar eclipses, while more frequent, become less dark. The sun's light, diffused through Titan's atmosphere, creates a ring of fire effect. Lunar eclipses showcase a new phenomenon, a reddish glow enveloping Titan as it passes through Earth's shadow. Imagine Titan, once a frigid world, transformed into a habitable moon. This transformation requires a significant increase in temperature. One possibility is to harness solar energy, perhaps with orbital mirrors, to warm Titan's surface. As Titan warms, its thick nitrogen atmosphere thickens further. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is released from its icy surface. This runaway greenhouse effect raises temperatures, making Titan more hospitable to life. Liquid water, essential for life, flows on Titan's surface. Rivers and oceans form, creating a dynamic water cycle. Titan's atmosphere, once dominated by methane, now boasts clouds, rain, and perhaps even storms. This transformed Titan, a testament to human ingenuity, presents new opportunities and challenges. It becomes a potential second home for humanity, a place to explore and colonize. But it also raises ethical questions about our impact on celestial bodies. Titan's presence has significant effects on Earth's orbital dynamics. The gravitational pull of this massive moon affects Earth's rotation. The length of a day, currently 24 hours, slightly increases. Tides, influenced by the gravitational pull of both the moon and Titan, become more complex. Coastal regions experience more extreme tides, requiring adaptation and careful planning. Earth's axis, currently tilted at 23.5 degrees, remains relatively stable. This stability, crucial for our seasons, is maintained due to the combined gravitational influence of the Moon and Titan. However, the gravitational dance between Earth, the Moon, and Titan is intricate. Predicting the long-term effects on Earth's orbit requires sophisticated models and observations. Scientists face the challenge of understanding this complex celestial choreography. The arrival of Titan as Earth's second moon is a cosmic event of unprecedented scale. It brings about dramatic changes in our skies, from more frequent eclipses to a brighter night sky. Titan's transformation into a habitable world adds another layer of complexity. It offers the possibility of a second home for humanity, but also raises ethical questions about our role in the cosmos. The long-term effects of Titan's presence on Earth's orbit and rotation remain an area of active research. Understanding these effects is crucial for navigating the future of our planet in this new celestial configuration. The scenario of Earth with two moons is a thought-provoking reminder of the vastness and dynamism of our universe. It highlights the interconnectedness of celestial objects and the profound influence they have on each other. It's a cosmic ballet that continues to unfold, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it.